I'm moving my skin.
How?
Skin cells move.
As like one or in a group?
I don't know yet. We're still talking about it. We had this big meeting the other day.
Do you have any idea what you're talking about?
Where we discussed the fact that they can move together. Casey,
We're talking about
don't fucking scare me, dude. It's creepy.
So wait, how many skin cells move at each time?
I don't know. I'm guessing 1 million.
There's more than 1 million skin cells on your arm.
Don't you fuck with me. That's really creepy to
How many
think
skin
about.
cells do you have compared to Casey?
2 more. Right, Casey?
How many do you have?
I don't have a rough estimate. You... Stop pointing it at me, it's bright.
You're the one who wanted to talk.
No, I don't want to talk all the time.
You want to talk about skin cells?
I don't want to talk about skin cells. You told
Who
me to
are
talk about
you?
skin cells. I don't know yet. That is to be figured out in the next episode.
That sounds really good, actually.
It's kind of like
Chris, you're so funny.
TV show.
Chris, how are you so funny?
I'm just amazing. I like to think of myself as awesome.
No, you're not, dude. Don't lie.
Are you driving around in my mom's car? Send me some of the pics you took of me and Brian.
I would.
I erased them all, sweetheart.
Who was that?
It was Ashley.
Hey,
Who's
Chris.
Ashley?
There's a spider
A little
dangling above your
slut.
head.
She's so cute.
Do you see what I see?
No, I don't. Wanna know why I don't
Look at all
think
that
she's
smoke.
cute? You ever think about, like, there's little people in the Would that not be so fucking cool?
Oh my gosh, is that an alien over there?
Yeah, we do.
There's a dead alien in my room.
And it hisses.
I got up that time.
Can I see it, Chris?
I hate these things. They're so fucking
Chris.
ugly.
Chris, let me see it.
You wanna see this? He hisses. Listen.
Chris, you're the one.
Here, you can have him. Touch him, Casey. Touch him. Touch the alien.
Not in inappropriate
Do it.
ways, you sick alien boat.
Who wants